Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here today, and I want to talk to you about my 5 most favorite apps for downloading other apps. So this is going to be just a short list of apps. I'm going to go through them pretty quickly, explain them a little bit, why I like them, why they're in that spot. And if you want any more information about those apps, I'll leave a link below to the cache archive section, which has those apps along with hundreds of other apps that pay you to download apps, just information about all those apps, such as TOS information, minimum cache outs, user ratings, how many times people get paid versus not paid, stuff like that for apps, more details, as well as other videos about the apps, because a lot of them I've already talked about on this channel. I just want to put it into this list for you so you get an idea of what I like the most. So the first item I put on the list is an Android-only app called AppLike. The reason this one goes first is because of the way you download apps on this. It makes it very passive. Basically what you can do is download the app and then earn the longer you use it. The app keeps track of your usage on the app that you were paid to download, and then it gives you points for it. The rewards are also great. You have PayPal, Amazon, a bunch of other gift cards. So basically everything I enjoy. And then the one after this I put is Appjest, because this is the iOS equivalent of it. They actually figured out a way to make an app that pays you to download other apps in this way on iOS. iOS doesn't have the same permissions as Android, so you can't use the same accessibility features to what you have to do instead of automatically crediting the app. Instead, Appjest uses battery usage to determine how long you've been using the app for, and it's not automatic. You have to send in screenshots to Appjest in order to get credited. The next app that pays you to download other apps on the list is AppZone. This one is very similar to AppLike, and it's also Android only because of how it works. It automatically credits you the more you use an app. The reason I put AppZone 3 instead of 1, since honestly AppLike and AppZone are very similar and the earnings are good. Basically they both give you good offers you can do for good points. I don't see one being too much better than the other as far as value. But AppZone does not have as good as rewards. They don't have PayPal on there, and also their gift card selection isn't as good as AppLike. It's definitely a nice option though if you run out of apps on AppLike. So that is the section of the video where I talk about more passive ways to earn downloading apps. And the last part of the list are old, tried and true apps that pay to download other apps in traditional ways rather than passive ways. And the first one on this part, which is number 4, is FeaturePoints. And I just like this one a lot because it's been around for a while. I know it pays, it usually credits, it credits very well for me. It's for Android and iOS. With these apps, like FeaturePoints, you download the app, it checks to make sure it's on your phone and you used it for a bit, and then it credits you, and that's it. You can't earn any more for using it more. It's just a one-time credit versus the apps I talked about before, which pay you for how long you use them. And then the other app like FeaturePoints that I like because it's been around for a while and it pays consistently is Cash for Apps. So that is a quick list of my 5 favorite apps to pay you to download other apps. There are so many of those out there. If you look in the archive sections, I think I have like 30 that pay you to download other apps. There are a lot of them. Some are better than others. These are the ones I think are the best as far as reward options, how well they pay you, the value they give you for the apps they download, as well as just being able to credit you after you do the offers. Some of them aren't as reliable as others. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later with more videos. I'll be making more videos lately. As you've seen, I've kind of got back onto routine. I'm going to stick with that as best I can. As far as some things coming up, I'm going to be doing a spring promotion on the TechSlugs here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm also looking at replacing a lot of my iOS devices I just sold in my routine. You can check out this video here I put in the cards of why I sold all of my iOS devices and are just going to replace those spots with Androids. But that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Have fun making money. Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.